Guess what, you guys? I got a mystery package. Comes with the receipt. Ooh. This is an FNX Block Black blender bottle. FNX is I'd like to say health company. It has ounces and milliliters. Ooh, it's hard to read, but it's there. This holds up to 20 ounces. The blender wire whisk mixes as you shake. That's so cute. Simply add your ingredients and whisk. So this blender bottle comes with a whisk, and it can whisk any ingredients together in here, but there are limits. Soda, pancake batter, anything carbonated or extremely thick will not mix in here. And it says to open this top part with caution when using anything that could build up pressure. I really like this handle right here. This is very, very nice. I had the choice between white, gray, and black, and I had to go with the sleek black label to match everything else. Right now, if you use my code uppercase FNXJACY, you will get 15% off anything FNX. They have clothes, they have supplements, anything health-wise. I just chose the bottle because it's most useful for me. This is JC Boo from JC Boo's Art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!